What's going on, fam? It's your boy Gels and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about 7 ways artists can network in the music business. Let's go. A nice ebook for all artists, man, to download, and it'll walk you step by step of different ways that artists can network in the music business, man. So you can head over to my website now, mixedbygels.com, and go ahead and download that ebook. But look, let's go through these 7 steps. So enough talking, let's head over to the computer and go over these steps. So right now, we're going to talk about 7 ways to network in the music industry. Number 1, you want to attend music events and conferences. Man, this is a big one, man. You always want to get yourself out there. You want to meet new people. You want to mingle with like-minded people. You want to participate in music festivals, workshops, and conferences to meet fellow musicians, industry professionals, and potential collaborators. This is a big one. All right, number 2. Utilize social media. I know a lot of artists nowadays, they try to shy away from social media. They want to be kind of the gray man in the back. They only want to release music, then disappear, then release music. Especially when you're starting out, you definitely want to utilize social media. You want to build a strong online presence by actively engaging with fans and industry peers on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. You want to share your work, content with other musicians, and join relevant music communities. Man, this is big. You want to definitely utilize social media, but you also want to create a way for you to stand out as well. All right, next we have collaborate with other artists. This is big. Seek opportunities to collaborate with other musicians, both within your genre and in different genres. Collaborations can lead to valuable connections and exposure to new audiences. I know a lot of artists, such as rappers, a lot of R&B singers. They do a lot of live shows. They do these shows over show tracks, but think about if you reached out to a couple of bands out here and increase your live show to have a live band. Not only will you reach a new audience within your fan base, but you could also possibly reach that band's fan base as well, if your music is good, if your performance is well. So definitely reach out to different artists to collaborate with, and not just in your genre. Number 4, join professional organizations. Become a member of music or associations or organizations that cater to your genre or area of interest. Attend their events, workshops, and seminars to network with like-minded people. I know ASCAP, BMI, the Grammy voting committee, man, they have a lot of events across the country, really across the world, man. They have a lot of events that you can attend, a lot of seminars, just a lot of meetings to meet up with like-minded people. Start searching online, searching social media, just to find out these organizations, find out when these organizations are meeting, and just go talk to people, man. Just go network. It's great. And if you like it, man, you could join these organizations as well. You could start, instead of complaining about a lot of things, you can start being a change, man. You don't like the Grammys? Become a Grammy voter, man. It's not that hard to become a Grammy voter. Engage with local music scenes. This is big, man. Like I said earlier, a lot of artists, they kind of want to be in their own bubble, drop their music, disappear. But then you become a loner, then you become by yourself. You really don't have a lot of support from your peers. But if you engage with the local music scene, man, you explore your local music community by attending gigs, open mic nights, and jam sessions. You can connect with fellow musicians, promoters, and venue owners to build relationships and gain performance opportunities. What better way to work on your live performance than to go to an open mic. It may only be 4 or 5 people in there. Who cares? That's the perfect opportunity to perfect your live show and get ready for a bigger moment. Get ready, prepare yourself for advancement in your career. What better way to meet new artists? What better way to build a relationship with promoters, build a relationship with these different venues, man? Get out here and engage with the local music scene. Number 6, seek out industry contacts. Research and reach out to music industry professionals such as managers, agents, producers, and music journalists. Personalized and professional communication can help establish connections and open doors. Look here, number 6, this is major, but look here, listen to me clearly. Do not do this until you are ready and prepared. You must carry yourself with professionalism. I don't know how many times I get DMs from people and they're just rude from the beginning. They have no type of professionalism. They're cussing from the beginning. They're just not, they don't even say hello. Like, you're trying to build a relationship. You want me to help you, or you want somebody to help you. At least say hello, ask them how their day was, and then get into not just asking for something, but just get into ways where you can help them, and maybe how they can help you as well. But you definitely want to be professional, and you definitely don't want to reach out to these people too soon, because you may not get a second chance. So you want to be prepared for your moment before you start doing number 6, before you start seeking out industry contacts. But this is definitely a big one, and it definitely can help you. Number 7, create an electronic press kit. Develop a comprehensive EPK that includes your bio, music samples, press clippings, and contact information. Share it with relevant industry professionals and media outlets. This is big right here, man. So instead of spamming people in the comments, spamming people in their DM, write a professional email, send a link with your EPK, write a professional instant message, send the link to your EPK. You don't have to spam people, man. Be professional. Send them a link where it has your bio, it has your samples, some press that you may have gotten, and your contact information. Like I said, just spamming people in the comments won't work. You have to remain professional at all times. And why not remain professional with the professional EPK, man? This is big. This is definitely a game changer. And you could definitely tell who is serious and really, really about their business by the way they present themselves. And hey, shoot me a link with your bio, your music samples, and all that kind of stuff. You'll be surprised with the kind of attention you would get from that. And remember, networking is a two-way street. Be supportive of other musicians, offer assistance, and be genuine in your interactions. Building meaningful relationship takes time and effort, but it can greatly enhance your musical journey. Hey, man, I'm telling you guys, you got to get out here and network. It can really, really change your life. It can really, really change your career. Yes, sir. Like I said, these 7 steps are amazing, man. There's 7 ways that artists can network in the music industry, man. Hey, if you're already doing these 7 things, are they working out for you? Are you doing 1, maybe 2 things? Let's talk about it in the comments below, man. Let's help our artists grow and continue to get better, man. And if you found some value in this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, like I said, check out my website, mixedbygels.com, where you could download this ebook and more, man. Hey, it's your boy Gels. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gone.